Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the two screens tutorial on CapCut. So first add your clip and then click on it and then go to edit and then crop the video like this. Okay. After that, click on a check icon and then place the clip at the left side. So just drag it, then place it in here like this, and then copy the clip. Click on copy and then make the copied version as overlay. So just click on overlay and then place it at the bottom of the first video like this. And then next click on the overlay video and then drag it to the right side of the screen. So it'll go like this. Okay, after you drag it to the right side, trim the overlay to where you want it to start. For example, I want to trim it here. Okay, and then after that, click on the overlay and then go to filter. Select the BNW and then choose the BW3. This one, and set it into 100. So it'll go like this. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.